Good morning. Good morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. How's everyone doing? My name is Dorothy Sutton, and today I'm going to show you the perfect fall lip. I did a fall lip yesterday. I really fell in love with it, and so I'm going to share it with you. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a lip liner. This color happens to be, I think it's called dark nude or light nude. I'm not sure. Let me see. Hey, good morning. Hey, Susie Q. What you up to, girl? This color is light nude. Okay. I thought it was dark nude, but it's light nude. Hey, good morning, Carol. Hey, how are you guys doing? Happy Sunday. Getting ready for church, so I thought I'd do my little fall lip this morning. Okay, so we're going to take our lip liner and we're going to line the outer part of our lip. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just the outer line, don't go off the line, okay? Stay on your line, all right? And then you're just gonna go all the way around. This is gonna keep your lip color from bleeding out. It'll keep your lip color in place. And I've already got all the other colors to match my fall lip. All right, so now if you want to color your lips in, you can. Just to get that color all up in the lines and everything. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my darker of the two colors. This color happens to be called Cocotini. But this is an enduring lip color. So the enduring lip colors go on liquid. They dry to a matte. If you have one of these colors, or if you ever get one of these colors, make sure you scrape all the color off the wand before you put it on, because you don't need very much. It's super pigmented. A little bit goes a long, long way, and you don't want to start with a lot of color because it just won't go on right. So you want to start with the least amount possible, and you're just going to go on. And I do the outer part of my lips first, like the corners. And then I leave the center open, okay? Now you see how I got that color on there, and I didn't have to use very much, but I've got a lot of color on there, right? Okay, so now I have the center part open, and the reason why I do that is because I'm going to put another color in the center, which is going to be a little bit brighter color. And some people call it an ombre look, where it's just like a light fades to dark or a dark fades to light. I like to do it because it highlights the center part of your lip, and it gives you a fuller lip. Your lips look a lot fuller. So if you have very tiny lips, this is a great option for you to do. Another thing you can do if you don't want to mix the colors is you can get concealer, like a light concealer, and you could put the color on and then just put a light concealer in the center, or even a highlight from your, like if you have a light colored eyeshadow that's like a shimmer highlight color or a shimmer blush color, you can do the same thing with that. Okay, and that gives your lips a fuller lip look appearance. Now, I will show you just real quick with a highlight what that will do. So I'm going to take this center color right here. I'm just going to put a little bit on my pinky finger, and I'm going to tap it just in the center. And it just kind of brings that highlight to that lip, and it makes your lips appear like they're bigger than they really are. Not like you have a fat lip or anything like that, but just like a fuller lip. Just, powderier. Okay, so now the last thing I do on my lips is I do a gloss. Now, if you don't want your lip color to come off, if you want it to stay on a long time, you can take a little bit of translucence powder, like a no color powder, and just pat your lips, and then it'll dry faster, and then don't do anything else, and your lip color will stay on probably 6 to 8 hours, okay? However, if you are like me and you love lip gloss, which I do, absolutely love lip gloss, and so I always put lip gloss on, your lip color will not stay on as long, but then you'll have a different look, and you might like it, you might not, I don't know, but I like it, so I'm going to do it. So this color is called Love. This is the color I used yesterday, and I just tap it on. I don't smear it on because I don't want to mess up my ombre look. So I just tap it on until I get the desired effect. And I don't goop my lip gloss on. I just kind of do it for a shimmer shine. And that's my look. That's my lip for fall. So this is a pretty, pretty color. It goes great with my fall eye and my fall cheeks. And it's a fun look, and anyway, get y'all ready for that football weather and all that stuff. So you guys have a wonderful day. Hey girl, you take care. You have a great day too. And you guys, peace out. Bye.